Hey everyone, welcome back to the series Why I Love This Chainsaw. Today we're going to talk about the Echo CS-4910. You all know it, you all love it, and I'm going to tell you why I love it. Well, there are so many reasons to love this saw, the Echo CS-4910. Let's be brutally honest. The best reason to love this saw, and the best reason that I love this saw, the price. Coming in at $359 US, this saw packs quite a punch. The Echo CS-4910 is a 50.2 cc professional grade chainsaw. This saw has a lot of features that other low-cost chainsaws don't have. It has an adjustable clutch-driven oiler, decompression valve, has the G-Force engine air pre-cleaner, and that's an Echo specific air cleaning system. Replaceable metal bumper spikes. It also has the side chain tensioner versus the front tensioner. Again, this is a 50.2 cc chainsaw. 3.06 cc's from the factory. Echo recommends a 16, 18, or 20 inch bar length. A very nice chain brake system. And last but not least, not just this saw, but Echo in particular, has a 5-year consumer warranty, a 1-year commercial warranty. This is quite literally the ultimate firewood chainsaw for the money. You have to have this saw in your arsenal. Now, this is my personal chainsaw, and it's a ported version, and also the muffler has been modified as well. This is a 1-inch pipe here. Let that hot air out. So as you watch me cutting with this, please don't think that you can buy a CS-4910 from the store and it'll automatically cut like this. You'd have to do some modification first. There's quite literally nothing that I dislike about this saw. Literally nothing. In fact, this is the factory 18-inch bar and the factory chain, which is a semi-chisel chain. Enough chatting about it. I'll let you guys decide. you.